Jamaica Black love the private freaking. Damn it. Wow. Today, I am doing a regular vlog. I go to work later on today, and tomorrow is Thanksgiving. So, you know, today is the 27th. I want to just give you guys a little footage of me prepping the food throughout the week. I gotta remember that I am feminist. That's one thing I gotta tell me. Like, girl, ain't you feminist? The Thanksgiving? Okay, so this is basically what my little sad story is gonna begin. I, unfortunately, gonna have to miss my family Thanksgiving once again. I missed it last year because my job needed me, which is like a fucking like bummer or whatever. And so since I am missing Thanksgiving before and during and afterwards, I decided that I want to make my own. So I said I want to do a small little Thanksgiving. It's almost like a thanks. But anyway, so once I do this, get everything out the way, and then I should be good. But right now, I'm going to several stores. I gotta hurry up because it's gonna be time for me to freaking, go to work. My favorite look all ashy. So I'm gonna give y'all a vlog day by day stuff. I'm not gonna give you a whole tutorial of food. I'm just gonna be basically showing y'all like what I'm doing and how I'm making it. I would not be making a real turkey, okay? I would not be making a real turkey. I want to make my first homemade dressing. Yeah. So yeah, let's get going. Enough chapping, enough yapping. Let's get to it. We at Kroger, you guys. This is where I start. It's wet. It's kind of like everybody rushing today. I don't know how it's gonna be for me. My bad, y'all. I forgot to say I'm at another store. I've been to the other Piggly Wiggly on the south side. I'll be able to grab everything. I gotta go to Walmart next, so yeah, I made it home. We put everything in the refrigerator. I'll start on the homemade cornbread and just put it in the oven and let it cook or whatever. I got number an hour before I go to work. And so yeah. See y'all. What the hell is going on? Yeah, there's so many folks. Like, this not even all of them. This is what I woke up this morning. Y'all couldn't get a sidewalk? Like, literally, there might be some school project stuff. Like, what in the... It ain't think people gonna be on the street. Oh shit. Mush this thing over so they thinking I'm going super fast. Everybody is like in a happy mood today. I thought it was a parade. Yeah, I wish I could have showed y'all. People had chairs sitting outside and y'all, it's 37 degrees out here. I ain't gonna say nothing more. I'm just getting out of work right now. I'm finna get like some knick-knack things for the kitchen. Like in a spirit, in a spirit, because I really want to actually see if Walmart open or whatever, because I really want like a little decoration, and I always want to do something like that. So gotta draw something for my uncle. So we got the chicken right here. I'm gonna let mine marinate over like a day because I gotta go to work after this. And I'm gonna chop my onions and my bell peppers, celery, so it's all gonna go in there. So yeah, I also got my cornbread ready for my dressing. So I'm just gonna let it sit overnight. And I crush that mud, we'll be good. I got them yams in here, baby. I made some yams once, and the first time I did it, it was pretty good. Sorry. Starting my greens tomorrow, so yeah. process and all that. See you the next day.
That were throwing stuff at us.
I didn't see anyone.
She's trying to protect herself by pulling up some boxes and stuff from near the bed. If I can just get up here.
Yeah. I think you had a dream and you woke out of your dream.
No, I did not. I did not. She was right at that door. But before that, she was back here. I'm gonna kill her when I see her. Look under the bed and see if there's anybody under there. Just look.
I'm looking. I can see it right here from this angle. Like it's a tote down there.
I did not have a dream. I assure you of that.
Do you know what she looked like?
Huh?
Do you know what she looks like?
It's a he.
I thought you said it was a she.
No, he. 2 boys are in here.
You said the boys ran out in the hall. And
Yeah, they were trying to get out.
Yeah, but you said it was a girl that was on the bed.
No. You grab my roll.
Huh? Hey.
I hope I had glasses on. The front boy. He was wearing glasses.
You don't have no shoes on. Because they left.
I don't know. You may be right. Wait a second. I'll try this. Maybe it's like the door. For evidence. Yeah. Did you get one of the pillows too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh shit. The chicken. Here. I think it's almost done. Let me cut it. Let's see. Sorry, I'm sleepy. It's around that time I usually just it's still hard. It's still going. I'm just cutting down because if I fall asleep, hopefully he'll check it or whatever the case may be. Sorry y'all, I didn't show the whole process, but this is what we got here. All right, we're gonna pop this bad baby in the oven. All right. Girl, child, I done went to sleep and woke up because the meat was already done. Like I said, the dressing had to be completed out the way first because I needed to know how I'm gonna have everything set up. Tomorrow is the greens. I'm not gonna have a problem with the greens because honestly, I've done that before, so it's not nothing new. I wanted to do a mixed green, but I didn't grab other items because I think some of the stores took majority of the stuff I was looking for. It's fine, it's fine. I bought a turkey that was already made, 2 of them to be exact. I might cook some fried chicken, a little more meat to it. I don't know. I just see. All I'm cooking is double egg dressing, homemade macaroni, collard greens, and yams. The homemade potato salad. But I end up forgetting the damn potatoes, and then on top of that, I wasn't sure. I didn't want to mess that up either because I like potato salad in a certain kind of way. Should get the potato salad because I feel like why not have the potato salad? It's so naked without it. I might potato salad. It's optional, but I think it's necessary. It's on the agenda this whole entire week. I've been exhausted. I've been sleeping at work. I'm praying to God that I've been sleeping on my break. I've been trying. I gotta make some gravy for the dressing. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. Guess who dragged the cat in? Hey you guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Don't ask me why I'm super happy, because I'm happy to get off. I'm off. But yeah, you already know your girl finna start on these greens. I got some, I think these are a ton of greens. I think collard greens. But I got my cabbages over there, so I'm gonna do a little mixture, because I did say I wasn't sure if we're gonna do it. The mixture or not, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. And I decided I'm gonna make the homemade potato salad. So, I mean, I'm gonna do what I can do with that. Yeah, let's get started.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around and trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let us know it's lasting now, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true. Now that he thinks of, so next Christmas I'm not all alone, boy. Tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Tell me if you really care, 'cause I can't give it all away if you won't be here next year. I've been down this road before, and love from Christmas night, but I knew you'd say I won't let me once it's by my side. No, I need someone to hold, being on fire in the cold, but it's hard to tell if this is just a thing or if it's true. Now that he thinks of, so next Christmas I'm not all alone. But Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if you won't be here next year.
Well, you guys, it's been a long journey. I gotta preheat this, so don't even think about like it looks dry or anything. It just has to be warmed up. I just got it out the refrigerator. Don't try it. Homemade glaze. Still got this in here. So yeah, at this point, y'all, I'm tired. This has been a long week. Like I said from the video, it's not gonna serve any justice. It's not gonna serve no justice whatsoever, because y'all don't know the high link struggle up and down, working, dealing with people, and on top of that, going grocery shopping, make sure you got everything, doing the research, and almost been another lady going head to head about what I don't know and what I do know about dressing. But you know what? I after all this that we went through, I can understand. I commend all the women who does this for a living. Like, I mean, I wouldn't mind doing it if I wouldn't have to work or anything like that. This is something I would do. I wouldn't mind cooking, but cooking and working is it's a job by itself. But we got here. We did the finished touch. Thank you for tuning in to this week of crazy, chaotic Thanksgiving. Okay, I was late for Thanksgiving. I don't even know what I'm gonna title this, but we're here. Peace, love, and light. Bye.
Are you scared?